Hey, what's poppin', you guys? Okay, so welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna be doing exactly what the title says, pretty much. I'm gonna be showing you guys, I'm gonna be showing you 5 costumes. I'm gonna be showing you how to dress up as a stoner, a bunny, sorta, a clown, a villager from Animal Crossing, and Ice Bear from We Bare Bears. Obviously these are mainly going to be like, the best way you can explain them is that they're going to be kind of like Disney bound. So they're going to be like easy costumes that you can do from your closet. So it's like you don't really have to go out to buy anything. And also all of the arts and crafts that we're going to be doing are completely no sew, no glue. It's just tape, cardboard and or paper, and markers and or pencils, crayons, paint if you have the time to wait for it to dry and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna be going through all the costumes and stuff, and I'm gonna be showing you each and every single one, and I'm very, very excited. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just super excited. I'm just super excited to show you the costumes. They're not, again, like I said, they're very easy. Like they're like, I would even say 5-minute craft type shit, you know what I'm saying? Like 5-minute craft type easy. Like literally all you have to do is just like get the pieces of clothing, and then like with like 2 of the costumes you have to cut out some shit, and that's it. Okay, so let's walk you through it. Let's explain. So for the villager costume consists of a red t-shirt of your choosing. It can be a tank top, it can be a crop top, it can be just a regular t-shirt, but it just has to be a red plain t-shirt. So you're gonna get your red t-shirt, and what you're gonna do is that you're going to be getting your cardboard and or paper, and you're gonna be drawing a like 3-dimensional ish, right? Or like just like a really big number 1. You'll see in the little clips that I like add and stuff. You just have to draw this type of number 1. And then you cut it out with your really shitty dinky ass scissors that you own. And and then what you have to do, this is super simple. What you have to do is then just get your marker. It has to be a blue marker, blue crayon, blue color pencil, blue paint, whatever, I don't give a fuck. But it just has to be blue, and you slather that shit on all over the fucking number 1, and let it dry, or just have it be. And once you're done coloring it in, simple, paint by number type shit. It's just one number, and it's the number 1. You just gotta color that in. We have to make the slingshot. So for the slingshot, what you have to do is same thing. Get your I would prefer a piece of cardboard, because you want it to be something kind of sturdy, considering that this is going to be a prop that you're going to be carrying out throughout the night. If you have trouble finding cardboard in your area, just go to your nearest Home Depot or go to your nearest U-Haul. They have cardboard there. Buy a piece of cardboard for like what, $1.50, and go into arts and crafts. You know what I'm saying? Super easy. And if you are a college student, then you should have cardboard all up in your dorm, bitch, because I know you just barely moved in like recently, so like you should have some cardboard laying around. Draw kind of like a, I guess like a peace sign shape. And again, you have to do that shit like kind of like 3D blocked kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, or big or whatever. You see it. I'll show you. You see it. You see it in the clip. You fucking, do it like that. Cut it into that shape with your dinky ass scissors again, and then you color that bitch brown. Or you could just keep it the cardboard color, but I feel like that is very like lazy, so I would color it in brown. So color that bitch brown, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your scissors, and then you're going to like poke holes into the 2 like tree branch pieces, if that makes sense. Like not the piece that you're going to be holding with your hand, but the 2 other pieces of the slingshot, so you poke little holes in that bitch, and then what you're going to do, easy as fuck, get 2 hair ties, and then cut them bitches at their seam, tie them bitches together, poke it through one hole, poke the other end through the other hole, tie a fucking knot, there you go, you have your motherfucking slingshot. Hey, there you go. Super fucking easy. Doesn't take any freaking time at all. Like, it's super freaking easy. And then yeah, girl, now you just gotta assemble. Now you just gotta put on your shirt, put on your shorts, put on your freaking number 1 with your tape, and taper that shit to your shirt, and then you grab your slingshot, and then there you go, baby girl. You're a villager. Add some gold hoops if you want to be cute, and maybe do some light makeup if you want, and there you go. Now you're a villager. Easy as fuck. Took like 0 to no time, and you know, now you're the coolest bitch at the party. And you know, it took like 0 to no effort. So like, that's sexy. Let's do Ice Bear. Okay, so Ice Bear is gonna be another really easy costume. All you're gonna need is a white shirt of your choosing. Again, it can be a long sleeve, short sleeve, crop, tank top. I don't give a fuck. Just a white fucking shirt. Get a white shirt, and then get white pants, again, of your choosing. It can be white pants, white shorts, white skirt, white fucking tights, white fucking pussy. I don't give a fuck. You just gotta wear white fucking pants. We went through a little phase where you were like, I'm gonna wear a tennis skirt, and then like you bought a tennis skirt, and then, you know, you have it somewhere in your closet. I know you do. Just scrounge. So your arts and crafts is gonna be another piece of cardboard. And again, it's very self-explanatory, girl. All you're gonna do is just draw an axe. You don't know how to draw an axe? Figure it out. I don't know how to give a tutorial on how to draw an axe. You just kind of have to do it. You just kind of have to do it. So just do it. Just draw an axe. Once you draw an axe, cut that bitch out. And then once you cut that bitch out, color it in. This is the way that I color mine in. I feel like this is accurate to his axe. I don't know. I didn't look up a picture, but I think it's accurate to his axe. I think maybe the entire head might be red of his axe, but I don't really know, and I don't really care. But that's an axe. You can tell that it's a fucking axe. It's a fucking axe. Literally, you're, again, pretty much there. All you're gonna have to do next is just do your makeup, and your makeup is gonna be super freaking simple. If you want, you can add mascara. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's not really necessary. But you're gonna just get a black eyeliner, and you're going to draw 2 little dots on your eyes, and then you're gonna draw an oblong type of dot, like an ovally dot on your nose, and then you're going to get a black lipstick, and you're going to line your lips like a smile type stitch, but not a smile. You want it to be neutral, because Ice Bear is almost always neutral. So you want it to be like a neutral lip, like a very neutral line on your lip. And you're gonna do it on the corners of your lip. Now your Ice Bear. Ta-da! Next we got Clown. Clown is one of my favorites because I feel like Clown, you can do just about anything. Like, you could literally do anything that you want when it comes to clowns. You can do your makeup scary, you can do your makeup gay, you can do your makeup, you know, you can do your makeup literally however the fuck you want when you're a clown. Just as long as it's kind of clowny. That's all that really matters. This could even pass as like clown makeup, you know what I'm saying? So like, you just want to have fun with it, depending on the type of outfit that you're going to be wearing. So the outfit that I'm currently wearing for my clown outfit, I decided to go for kind of like a colorful, like children's type of clown, like one that you would see like in like a children's TV show. So that's kind of like what I went for. I went for the colors, I went for the dots, I went for like, you know, just, I feel like it's like this one character. I'll try to see if I can find her, and I'll plaster her right here if I find her. But I kind of got inspiration by this character. So what I'm going to do for mine is that I'm going to be putting on a very colorful, bright star pink vest. Then I'm going to have my jean skirt with the green line on it, like with like the green band on it. I'm going to be adding hair ties to my wrist to add some flair. They have polka dots on them. I feel like that's very clowny, and also they're colorful. I'm also going to be putting on some colorful earrings on. I'm going to be putting some colorful things in my hair, and I am also going to what else did I do? I'm also going to be putting on a bunch of necklaces, and yeah, girl. I think that, and then when it comes to the makeup, you just kind of have fun with the makeup. I'm gonna like probably do like a very quick cut up of the makeup that I did, like, you know, clips of the makeup that I did. I'll add them here. But as you can see, I just kind of fucked around until I figured it out and I got a face that I liked. So you just kind of have to do that, you know what I mean? Just have fun with the makeup and see, you know, figure out your face. Especially because the fun thing about clowns is that clowns are kind of like a society, and like when it comes to clowns, your face is like your moniker, you know what I mean? Like it's your trademark. So you don't want to copy someone else's face, because that's how, like, that's their face, you know what I'm saying? So you want to come up with your own. So come up with your own fucking face, you know, just have fun with it. Add colors, don't add colors, I don't give a fuck, just have fun with it. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. If you want, you can also add a red, you know, a red nose if you have one on standby, and somehow I did. So yeah. But anyways, here's a clown. Ta-da! Okay, next we got a bunny. Bunny is super easy. Just get bunny ears and any Hoey outfit. Now you're a bunny. That's pretty much it. It's literally the easiest costume in the book. Bunny, cat, any of those, like, literally just, like, get ears. The tail and all that other shit is kind of optional, because, like, as long as you have the ears, that's all that really matters. Because, like, if you think about it, cats' tails are optional. Hell, even fucking monkey tails are optional because of Curious George. So it's like, you understand what I'm saying? Like, you can be just about any animal without the tail. Like, you do not need the tail. Like, the tail is completely optional. Just as long as you get your fucking, like, hands on some little ears, you are completely fine. So, yeah. Just, honestly, go as any fucking animal with ears in a slutty outfit, and you pretty much made Halloween. So, you pretty much did Halloween. So, like, yeah. But yeah, that's that's one of the costumes. Oh, stoner. So for the stoner costume is probably, again, one of the easiest fucking costumes to do, especially if you are already a certified stoner. Granted, some people may say that it might be lazy, but, like, you can wear this to, like, a party where your friends are not going, or, like, you know, like, maybe not a work event, but maybe, like, a work event if your work event is cool, you know what I mean, like, and you're not typically, like, the stoner type, you know what I mean, like, I feel like a stoner costume is good for, like, people that are stoners, and also people that are not stoners, and maybe have stoner friends that they can borrow clothes from. But I feel like a stoner costume is very easy. All you need is a big ass fucking sweater, a big ass fucking shirt, some sleep pants, some comfy shoes, and either a beanie, or you can also wear your hoodie. And carry around a joint and a lighter. And that's it. Now you're a stoner. You can put on makeup if you want to, but most stoners probably... Well, I shouldn't say most stoners don't have the time to put on makeup, because look at me, I put on makeup and I'm fucking stoned as fuck. But yeah, you can put on makeup if you want to. You don't have to. It's not necessary. But you can if you want to, but I didn't. So yeah. And that was our last costume. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed all the costumes that I showed you guys, and all the costumes that I helped you walk through, you know what I mean? But yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this video. I had a lot of fun, you know, doing everything for you guys, and, like, you know, getting all the costumes ready and stuff. And I know they're very simple, but that's the whole point of the video, is that they're supposed to be very simple costumes that are gonna take you 0 to no time, and you can literally do on the day of Halloween, because we're all lazy, depressed bitches here. So, like, you know what I mean, we need them quick, easy costumes. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I don't know, I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you guys.